Feared and reviled, yet indispensable to medieval justice, the life of an executioner was anything but ordinary. These so-called legal killers were responsible for upholding the law in one of the most brutal ways imaginable, yet their own lives were somewhat bizarre. Executioners were crucial to the medieval justice system, but their work came with a heavy social cost. Handling death, blood, and punishment made them outcasts in society. They often lived in the outskirts of towns, avoided by neighbors who considered their profession unclean and cursed. Despite this isolation, executioners were both feared and respected. Their role required precision and skill, especially during executions. A poorly performed beheading or hanging could anger the crowd and tarnish the executioner's reputation. In some cases, the executioner's payment was reduced if they botched the job. Some executioners inherited their role through their families. In towns where the position wasn't hereditary, criminals who escaped death sentences were sometimes forced into the role. This created a strange cycle where outcasts punished other outcasts, further alienating them from society. Interestingly, executioners often doubled as healers. Their knowledge of anatomy and wounds gained from torturing and dismembering bodies made them skilled in treating injuries. This paradoxical dual role, both taker of life and preserver of life, only added to their bizarre life. Executioners also earned additional income by selling the body parts of executed criminals, which of course were believed to have magical properties. For example, the hand of a hanged man was considered a powerful charm against evil. These grim sales were another way executioners made a living, though it deepened their reputation as sinister figures. In addition to executions, these legal killers performed other punishments, including branding, flogging, and amputations. Their work was often public, designed to serve as a deterrent and reinforce the authority of the law. Executioners became symbols of justice, but also reminders of its brutality. While their lives were grim, executioners were indispensable. Without them, the justice system of medieval Europe could not function. They walked the fine line between fear and necessity, embodying society's darkest impulses while keeping its laws intact.